In this video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Kotatsu app. So in order to do this, you first need to head over to kotatsu.app/download. You can see right here that this is the latest stable version, which was released 2 months ago. And in here, you can see the stable, and we also have the nightly. So just choose which one you want. It requires Android 6.0 or higher. So this means that this particular module is available for your application or Android. Head over and click on stable, and then it should be able to redirect you to the page. And then in here, you need to first sign in into your GitHub to see the releases for the actual Kotatsu. Once you have it ready, you should be able to download it. And from in there, just proceed to install it right here. And once you have installed it, you can now use it by adding extensions and continuing browsing your anime, manga, and manhwa collections. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.